In this question, I have to integrate sine square of 2x plus 5. Okay, so to integrate this function, first of all, it may be noted here that I cannot perform any substitution because I have given sine square, and sine square cannot be substituted by writing sin x into sin x. Secondly, there is no direct method of integrating this function, that is direct formula. So what I'm going to do here to integrate, I'm going to write using this formula. First of all, let me tell you the formula which I'm going to use. We know that sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos of 2a. Okay, so this formula I'm going to use here. So using this formula, I can write this as equal to 1 minus cos of 2 times 2x plus 5 upon 2 dx. Now I cannot integrate sine square, but I can integrate cos of, because cos doesn't have any square. Okay, so I can write this as 1 upon 2 dx minus 1 upon 2 times integration of cos of 4x plus 10. Okay, now integration of 1 by 2, since it is a constant, would be equal to 1 by 2x, and integration of this cos will be equal to 1 by 2 sine of 4x plus 10 upon 4 plus c. Okay, so my final answer would be 1 by 2x minus 1 by 8 sine of 4x plus 10 plus c. So this is my required answer. In this question, while we were solving, I wrote here integration of cos of 4x plus 10 as equal to sine of 4x plus 10 upon 4. Okay, how can we directly write such integration? So let me explain you. We know that integration of cos x is equal to sin x plus c. Okay, so if we have to integrate a function like cos of ax plus b, okay, so the difference between them is this, that here we have only x and here we have cos x plus b, that is x is replaced by a linear expression. Then this is equal to sine of ax plus b upon a plus c. So idea is this, that as we integrate x, so as equal to sine x, then integration of cos of ax plus b would be equal to sine of ax plus b, and the coefficient of x divides. Okay, so this is how we integrate it. So this is the direct method of solving such a question, but one thing to be noted is that the difference between them. X can be replaced by ax plus b, and ax plus b can be, for example, 2x plus 3, 5x plus 20, and so on. Okay, and the idea or the logic to integrate functions like sine square x, cos square x, sine raised to the power of 8x, if we have to integrate such functions, then the method of solving this types of function is such that we apply the trigonometrical identity in such a way that this power to which the function is raised become equal to 1. This power in which the identities are raised, this become equal to 1. So this is the method we use. For example, if we have to integrate cos square x, we cannot integrate, but if we write that cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos of 2x upon 2, then we can integrate. So the integration of functions in which the trigonometrical function or the product trigonometrical function of sine and cos, especially we are talking about, are raised to even power, or the product is of even power of sine and cos. For example, sine square x, cos square x. Then we have to reduce the power of these terms in such a way that the power is reduced to 1, the combined power is reduced to 1, so that we can integrate them. And if in any case there is a possibility of substitution, then we can apply substitution method also. Okay,